Can you give me a good squeal? Yeah. Give me your best squeal. Don't look at the camera. You get distracted when you see the camera. Can you show me your best squeal? Yeah. Do it again. Oh. Show me your best squeal. That is a great one. Show me your best one. Tell me a story. Can you tell me what happened? Michael. Michael, show me your best squeal. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Tell me more. There you go. What else? What happened next?
How about these ones?
We'll paint those ones tomorrow.
What happened next, Michael?
Yeah.
It already has a can.
Michael, what happened? Oh, did you grab that elephant?
How about
Did you grab that elephant?
inside?
You got that elephant. It is blue.
There's going to be some wood there.
Did you get that blue elephant?